James, a senior analytics engineer, is at a design review. Dry erase stains on his fingers. Coffee going cold on the table. The PM wants product analytics live by end of quarter, and the team is arguing about how to shape the data. 3 options are on the whiteboard: star schema, Snowflake schema, one big table. James has shipped all 3 in his career. He knows this is not a religion. It is a workload question, and the answer has changed twice in 30 years. 1996. Ralph Kimball publishes a book that reshapes analytics. The star schema. One central fact table, orders, events, transactions. Around it, denormalized dimension tables, customer, product, date, store. A human could read the model on a whiteboard. A BI tool could join it in one hop. In 1996, when storage was expensive and CPU was expensive, that was a revolution. 2 forces made star the default for 20 years. First, BI tools loved it. Cognos, business objects, MicroStrategy, Tableau, all built for star. Drag a dimension, drag a measure, chart appears. Second, humans loved it. The analyst could sketch the schema on a napkin. The PM could reason about it in a meeting. It was legible. Star became the professional standard. But by 2010, 2 failure modes hit every star schema shop. Sarah, a data engineer at a growing SaaS team, opens a ticket. The PM wants historical customer segment on every order. She stares at the dim customer table. Slowly changing dimension. Type 2. Every change becomes a new row. Every join needs an effective date filter. Every query slows. The dim table just crossed 40 columns. On billion-row facts, a 5-way star join takes 40 minutes. Sarah closes her laptop at 11 p.m. This model is not the problem. The model has outgrown its era. The academic answer: the Snowflake schema. Take the star and normalize the dimensions. Dim customer explodes into dim customer. Dim address. Dim segment. Dim product explodes into dim product. Dim brand. Dim category. The pitch: storage savings, referential integrity, third normal form clean. Textbook approved. DBA blessed. It sounded like the professional next step. 2 things the industry did not see coming. First, the join tax was brutal. A 5-way star already took 40 minutes. Snowflake turned it into a 12-way join. Query planners struggled. Dashboards timed out. Second, storage got cheap. S3 dropped to pennies per gigabyte. The save space by normalizing argument evaporated overnight. Snowflake was solving 1990s problems on 2015 hardware. It never became the default. It became the cautionary tale. Then the heretical idea arrived. One big table. Every attribute you might filter or group by in a single wide table. Order fields, customer fields, product fields, store fields, 100 columns or more. Every analytics textbook would fail this on principle. But in a columnar warehouse, you only read the columns your query touches. Compression kills the duplicated values. 0 joins. 1 scan. Answers in seconds. Storage cost, slightly higher. Query cost, 90% lower. This is the economics of BigQuery, Snowflake the warehouse, Redshift, and Databricks. The cost equation flipped. In 1990, storage expensive, compute cheap, so you normalized hard. In 2020, storage cheap, compute build per second, so you denormalize hard. OBT became the shape that matches how modern engines charge. DBT made it repeatable. Every modern analytics stack builds wide marts. Star schemas still exist, but usually as a semantic view on top of an OBT that already did the heavy joining. James walks back to the whiteboard. He erases Snowflake completely, draws 2 arrows between 2 boxes. OBT in the storage layer. DBT models compute here. Machine learning trains from here. Data science joins here. Star on top as the semantic layer. Looker, Tableau, Metabase read here. Analysts self-serve here. Business KPIs live here. Snowflake schema, almost never. OBT for the compute. Star for the humans. That is what mature analytics teams ship in 2025. James erases every box on the whiteboard. He writes one sentence in the center. Model to the shape of your query engine, not to the shape of a textbook written for different hardware. The team walks out of the design review. OBT in the warehouse. Star views on top. Snowflake nowhere. The PM's dashboard ships on time. Next on the architecture track, the modern data stack. Airflow, DBT, and the warehouse that runs it all.